Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Dr. S.N.S. Ragarishmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic called Python. So in this video I am discuss about the what is Python, that is the definition of Python, and what are the features available into the Python, and how to install the Python in our system, and how to create the variable, and how to assign the values, and what are the conditional statements available into the Python. So first let us start with the definition. It is a high level programming language. It can used with many features that are like easy to use in interactive and intensive mode and highly programming languages, and it is object oriented languages too. We can say that object oriented is nothing but we can create classes, object encryption and abstractions. All the facilities are available into the Python languages. So this is the basic syntax of the basic definition of the Python. So next is how to set up and install the Python in our system. So here the software is downloaded from the website that is called as www.python.org. This is the basic website which is available to download the Python into our system. So after downloading the Python software, we can set up or install the software into our system by setting the path name and the variable name into the software name. So while setting the path name and variable name, we can very specific about that features. Okay, after setting this, we can open the system, that is open the programming, like that is the Python ideal will be open. It is in the black color. We can enter the data into that particular black colored screen and we can get the output. So this is the scripting languages. So we can create the variable as like C languages. In the C language we can create the variable as for example integer, which is a type of integer, means integer int a. A is a variable which holds the data of integer data types. Here we do not specify any data types here. That is why means we can the variable itself identifies that what value it holds. For example, a equal to 10 means the a itself think and assign that it holds the value of integer. Based on that value only, it said that whether I am holding the integer value or character value or string value. So the variable itself it assumes and assigns that what kind of data it holds. Okay, this is the basic structure of variable creation and value assign. So while creating the variable, we can follow some rules and regulation for creating the variable. So the variable name do not start with a number and it must start with a character. Yes, character is nothing but A to Z. A to Z, the character will be present in at the beginning. Any one of the letter may be present, and special characters may be included, no space may be allowed. So this is the rules for how to create a variable in a Python. So while creating the Python, we can it is a more comfortable and easy manner, and it is a friendly too, because it does not assign any data type into the particular variable. So this is the user friendliness, and we can easily use it is a friendly manner and easily used to the customer also. So this is the basic syntax of how to create a variable, and the rules for creating the variable in the Python programming. So let us start with conditional statement. We all know that what is conditional statement. If particular part will be true, then the particular condition may be true, the true part may be executed, or else false part may be executed. This is the basic function of conditional statement. So here the conditional statement says that automatically it comes that if is a conditional statement, if else is a conditional statement, nested if is a conditional statement. We all know that this is the basic for conditional statement. So for what is the use of if statement means, if the condition is true, then the particular block will be executed. It does not follow any else part, that is the false part. It does not do any false part. execute any false part. That is, if the condition is true, the particular block of statement will be executed. So this is the basic syntax of if statement. The next will be the if else. If else means if true part is not executed, then automatically false part, that is the else part, may be executed. This is the basic syntax of if else. What is the use of nested if means the condition, that is the repeated condition, may be checked based on the user condition. That is nothing but if some condition may be checked, if that condition is true, the particular block will be executed, or else again it checks one more condition, and if it is true, the particular block will be executed. We can set more than one condition into the nested if, that is called as a nested if statement. If for example, we can set 3 or 4, 5 condition into the nested if statement, or else it if these statements may be true, any one of the statements may be true, condition may be true, the particular block will be the executed, or else part it is automatically executed. In creating the conditional statement, we can set the default statement also. If the true part and false part it is not executed, means the default some statement will be executed. Okay, in this video we discussed about the Python definition and features, and how to create a variable, and how to assign the values into the particular variable, what are the conditional statements into it. Next video we can see about the looping statement. Thank you.